my fellow composers, and welcome to the Composing Cook. Today's recipe is my trio pepper pasta gratin. Right, let's begin. Come over here. Let's get the pasta on first. So I've got a pan with salted boiling water here. I'm going to add 375 grams penne pasta. Basically, you want to cook till al dente. Once cooked, drain and set aside. So we'll just leave that. Follow the packet instructions basically, all right? So in my frying pan, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add one large onion, which I have cut into half moons. Let's do that now. In my little bowl, I have 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon coriander, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, and about half a teaspoon salt. Let's throw that in. Give that a good mix. Basically, you want to cook this for about 5 minutes until the onions have softened. Perfect. Now, let's add our trio of peppers. By all means, if you want a green pepper, take out one of these colours and add a green pepper instead.
Or have a quattro.
This is trio. It's up to you. So let's throw in the peppers, which as you can see, I have sliced and de-seeded. Look at that. Beautiful colours. Now we just need to cook this for another 5 minutes until everything has softened slightly. Let's make the sauce to go with this dish.
Saucy.
Saucy! In my little bowl here, I have 200 grams hummus, 200 grams full fat soft cheese, 1 juice of 1 lemon. Give that a mix until everything is combined. Notice I changed from a spoon to a whisk. The whisk basically just makes it a lot smoother. Perfect. Now I'm going to add to that 175 millilitres single cream. I'm just going to eyeball it. Is that right? Mix that again. Lovely. And then just add some salt and pepper to taste. And that's your sauce done. How easy was that?
It was very you.
So the peppers are ready. I'll turn the gas off. Pasta's ready. What I have to do is throw the pasta into the dish with the peppers. Get my sauce, throw that in as well. Give the whole thing a mix. I've got some parsley here, which I have already chopped up. Let's put about 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons parsley. Mix that in as well. All I have to do now is transfer this into my dish. To finish off, what I have here is 50 grams breadcrumbs and 50 grams extra mature cheddar cheese, which I've mixed together. Basically take it, put it on top. Now this needs to go under a hot grill for about 5 minutes. So that's done. All I have to do to that is just add some parsley on top. I'm now gonna basically spoon some out. My fellow composers, take it all in. I should try really, let me know what it tastes like.
Yeah, we get the picture.
My fellow composers, make it, enjoy it, you will love it. Mwah!
Hidden echoes from closed doors, distant dreams of mine and yours, but I will keep believing. A faceless clock is ticking.